Hi guys, today I want to show you how you can easily sharpen your electric razor blades instead of just buying new ones. I have a Philips Norelco electric shaver and those are my razor blades. Of course you need to start your project with cleaning those. As you can see, my blades have a flat surface, and that surface with time it's not as sharp anymore, so you can feel the difference when you shave. And I've had this electric shaver for a number of years, and it's starting to really annoy me that I really have to work hard to get a nice and clean shave. So I'm gonna try to make those blades a little bit more sharper, and we'll see if that's gonna work. So to sharpen my blades, I'm going to use 400 grit automobile sandpaper, and I'm just going to work it on the paper, and hopefully this will sharpen the blades. Alright, so I'm going to put a drop of water, make it a little bit wet on the surface, and then I'm just going to try to make this area nice and sharp. And all you have to do is just work it for a little bit, and we're gonna check in a moment if this is gonna get sharper. To make the surface area totally flat, I put a nice flat piece of metal underneath the sandpaper, so I have nice and tall flat area to work with. So after a few minutes of working on sanding them down, looks like they are nice and sharp. You can see that all the flat areas are really nice and shiny, and I'm hoping they are really nice and sharp. I'm gonna give it a try in a few minutes. We'll see how it works. Well, I put everything back together and I gave it a nice shave, and it does work, guys. Really, it's worth trying. Sharpen those blades, and this way you don't have to buy the new ones. And I already feel the difference, and it works really nice and much better than before. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I hope I saved you a couple of bucks, and now you can do it yourself. I'm gonna be sharpening those razor blades every couple of months now, and I'm gonna have a nice and clean shave. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.